Good morning, students. Today we will start our chapter geometry. First of all, you have to understand what do you mean by geometry. In our surroundings, we see many things, many objects which has some shape like circle, square, rectangle, cylindrical. The shape may have 2D shape or 3D shape. Okay. In our classroom we also see many things around us. In our day-to-day life we also see many things, like you see your lunch box, your geometry box. All the objects have some shape, and these shapes may be of, like if we see any signboard, and if it has 8 sides, it will be octagon. And if we see another signboard like this has circular shape, and many shape we can see in our day-to-day life. So geometry is useful in the construction of roads, buildings, or any 3D shape. So let us start the concept of geometry. First of all, we will discuss point, line segment, and ray. First is a point. What is a point? A point is a location in a space, or you can say a small dot is called point. Means in a location, if I put like this, if I write like this, so this dot is called the point. A point is represented by a dot which does not have any shape, any size, and we label it with a capital letter. Means whenever you name a point, you will use the capital letter. Point P, this is called point P, or P letter represent a point. Let us represent different point with capital letter. Point A, point D, point E, point B, point C. These are the point A, B and C and E. Capital letter represent a point. Next is line. You have to remember one thing: all the geometric figures, any figure, it may be line segment, ray, plane, anything, all geometric figures consist of points. जितनी भी geometric figures है सब point से मिलकर बनती है बेटा. Line. What is a line? A line is a set of points extended in either direction endlessly. Means what is a line? If I say there are many dots here, and if I join all these dots, so this forms a line. Okay. A line is a set of point. इसके ऊपर बहुत सारे points होते हैं बेटा. इन points को जब हम join कर देते हैं तो ये line बन जाती है. Arrow इसलिए है because it can be extended in both the direction. दोनों direction में हम इसको extend कर सकते हैं. So line is a set of point. A line is made up of points and is straight. You can learn this. A line is made up of point and is straight. It can be extended in both the direction. So its length is not fixed. We can extend it in both the direction. A line is represented by the symbol this. This is the symbol to represent a line because it has arrow on its both side. दोनों side पे arrow होता है. This is the symbol to represent a line. Now, line segment. What is a line segment? Line segment is a part of a line. अगर एक line का हम कुछ part ले लें, इतना part मैंने ले लिया line का, तो it is called the line segment. हमने ले लिया from A to B. हमने ये कुछ part ले लिया एक line का from A to B. Now this is also consist of point. It is also made up of points. A line segment is also a part of a line. It has 2 end point. इसके 2 end point होते हैं बेटा, because हमने ये fix लिया है इस point से इस point तक. So it has 2 end point. अगर इसके 2 एंड पॉइंट हैं तो इसकी लेंथ भी फिक्स हो जाएगी, क्योंकि ए से लेकर बी तक है तो इट्स लेंथ इज ऑल्सो फिक्स्ड. So a line segment is a part of a line. It has 2 end points and it has definite length. And what is the symbol to represent a line? This is the symbol to represent a line. यानी ए बी और उसके ऊपर आप ये सिंबल लगाएंगे, so you can say this is a line AB like this. ए बी और ऊपर इसका सिंबल like this. Now next one is ray. What is a ray? Ray is also a portion of a line. रे भी क्या है, एक पोर्शन है लाइन का जिसमें एक तो फिक्स पॉइंट है और एक तरफ हम इसको एक्सटेंड कर सकते हैं, विच स्टार्ट एट अ पॉइंट एंड गोज ऑन अ पर्टिकुलर डायरेक्शन टू इन्फिनिटी. अ रे इज अ लाइन विद 1 एंड पॉइंट. एक आपने रे लिया जिसमें जो ये है ये पॉइंट फिक्स है, इसके बाद ये एंडलेसली एक डायरेक्शन में जा रही है. इट मे बी इन राइट हैंड साइड, इट मे बी ऑन लेफ्ट हैंड साइड बेटा. सो इट्स वैल्यू, its length is not fixed because it can be extended in one direction. So ray has 1 end point and it can be extended in any direction. Ray extend in one direction only. So what is the symbol to represent a ray? This is the symbol to represent a ray. एक fixed point और एक तरफ arrow. This is the symbol. How you will write this is ray AB? You will write down AB और ऊपर लगा देंगे आप symbol of ray. Now next is plane. A plane is a flat surface like a piece of paper. What is a plane? Plane is just like a piece of paper and it consists many points on it. And it has arrow means it can be extended in all the direction. किसी भी direction में आप इसको extend कर सकते हैं. This is the plane. Plane के अंदर infinite points होते हैं. It is the collection of infinite number of points. And how you will represent a plane? A plane can be represented by a single capital letter or 3 collinear points. Like अगर 3 points है उसके अंदर you can write